Is this thing working?
Come with me to ask everybody if they could choose one car from the lot for Christmas. What would it be? What would it be?
I would say the 2024 Chevy Corvette, for sure.
I'd probably take the black G70.
Definitely this red 2017 Mustang with low miles.
Yeah, I'll take a coffee.
What would it be?
Definitely this 23 Ford F-150 Super Crew Lariat.
I would go with the 2023 Ford F-150.
Yeah, the 24 Acura A-Spec. It's just a great car all around.
23 Subaru Crosstrek.
2023 Subaru BRZ 6-speed manual.
2024 Chevy Express 2500.
Chevrolet Corvette.
2021 Toyota Corolla LE Hybrid.